everyone. Thank you for joining me on Zoom. It was so nice to see you. As I just said, we're going to do a science experiment. Now I'm going to put this all on Google Classroom with some work that I need you to write in as well. I want you to take a video of you doing the experiment and also send that to me. So this experiment is going to teach us why using soap when we wash our hands is better than only using water to wash our hands. So for the experiment, you will need some soap, you will need some pepper, and also a bowl with some water. Okay, so they're the only things that you will need. Maybe a towel as well to dry your hands. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my kitchen and take a video of me doing the experiment, and then it's going to be your turn. I want you to make a video of you doing the experiment and send it to me. So I'm ready to do the experiment. I have everything that I need. Now in this experiment, the water, which is in my bowl here, is going to be our hands. Okay, the water represents our hands, and this pepper here is going to represent a virus or germs that normally gets on our hands. Okay, so the step one, put some water in your bowl. Just not all the way to the top, just like this is fine. Step two, we're going to get the pepper and we are going to sprinkle it into the water. Okay, so now remember the pepper is what? The virus or all the germs. Okay, can you see all the germs in our water here? Or which is kind of on our hands. Now we're going to do two experiments. One is going to be with no soap, and the other one will be with soap. So the first thing I want you to do is get your finger with no soap or anything on it and put it into the water. I want you to see what the pepper does, and will it still be on your finger when you take it out? Let's have a look, I'll show you. Okay, so here is our water with all the germs or the virus. Remember, this is our hand. Let's get our finger and put it in here. You can move it around. Now lift your finger off. Do you still have pepper on your finger? I do. Okay, so that is showing us that when we wash our hands with no soap, there's still going to be lots of germs, or the virus will still be on our finger. What do you think will happen if we put soap on our finger and then put it in there? Should we try? Okay, dry your finger. Get some soap. Just put it on your finger here. Move it around. You don't need to wash your hands. Just put the soap on here and move it around. Okay, what do you predict, or what do you think will happen when I put my soapy finger into the water? Is it going to come off onto my finger like it did before with no soap? Should we have a look what's going to happen? Still got all the pepper here in my water, and I've got my soapy finger. Let's see what's going to happen. Whoa, did you see that? All the pepper moved away. It is scared of the soap, and I'll bring my finger up. I do not have any pepper on my finger. What do you think that means? Why does the pepper move away when I have the soap on my finger? And why does it not come off onto my finger? I want you to think about that carefully. Why do you think that happened? Remember, why do we use soap when we wash our hands? Your turn to do the experiment, and I want you to take a video of you doing it. Remember, I've also put the worksheet onto your Google Classroom where you need to tell me what you think will happen, what you saw happen, and why you think that happened. Alright everyone, so I hope this is a very fun, simple, easy science experiment to see why we should wash our hands with soap and not only just water. Alright, have fun. Remember to send me your videos. Bye!